What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I've got a secret command that I want to share with you how to quickly open up your calculator. Guys, I really hope that you're enjoying the secret command series here, and if you do, you feel free to check out the playlist at the end of this video where I'm sharing secret commands how to open up various applications in Windows. Now let's jump in. So what you want to do, click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and you want to type in run. And here, once you open up the run, all you have to do is type the following command: calc, and just simply hit enter key on your keyboard or press that OK button right there. That's going to quickly open up your calculator. How cool is that? And that's it. Very easy and very simple. That's all for this video, guys. I really hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below. Check out the playlist at the end of this video so that you can find more videos just like this one. And on top of that, guys, you want to subscribe, because guess what? I'm coming out with much more videos just like this one, share with you a ton of different secret keywords that you can use to open up various applications on Windows. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one.